Oh, there he is. In my last two videos, links in the description below, my buddy and I have driven almost 1,481 miles across America on a road trip that started in Atlanta, Georgia, and that will end in San Francisco, California. Alright guys, well we are back on the road and we're still in New Mexico, and we are on the historic US Route 66, and we just pulled over for some gas, but we are also on the Continental Divide, so we're gonna go check out the sign for that. But right now we're just looking at the mountains in the distance. Guys, well, we have made it to the Petrified Forest National Park here in Arizona, and we're about to start checking out some views here. Alright, so this is the first of the few attractions that we're gonna stop and check out. This is the Painted Desert. Wow. That's some amazing color right there. The size and scale of the Petrified Forest National Park in Arizona is breathtaking and surreal. Covering hundreds of acres and with an ecosystem over 200 million years old, this park offers a variety of landscapes, flora and fauna to keep anyone enthralled for many days. Alright guys, so here we are at the Petrified Forest National Park, and we are going to be hiking on the Crystal Forest Trail, and they said collecting the petrified wood is prohibited, so we're just gonna walk through and see what this thing has to offer. Oh wow, you can see it right here. So right off the entrance you can see the petrified rock. Wow. You gotta stay on the paved surface. Alright, so this trail is 0.8 miles long and should take about 17 minutes to complete. But as you're walking along, you see all these trees that have turned into crystals. Let me see if I can get up close with. Wow, check that out. See them right there. They're scattered all over the landscape. So we're still hiking through the Crystal Forest. Now we're seeing some logs here. So it's just how massive these things are. Alright guys, so we've just done the Crystal Forest Trail here at the Petrified Forest National Park. The next stop now, we're gonna try to see if we can catch the sunset at the Grand Canyon. So we're kind of crunched for time now, so see you at the Grand Canyons. What this park? Let's do a quick walk. Oh, there he is. Dude, we got elk walking around. Holy potatoes.
Oh my God.
Okay, homie, I'm just visiting. Don't need to come over. Oh my God. Oh, there he is. He's back. He's back.
What the hell is even that?
He's back. Holy potatoes. And then there's one in front of the center. And then I think that's the mom over there in front of the visitor center. Oh my God. Wow, wow, wow. And that's Mom Duke's down here. Guys, we made it to the visitor center. We got 2 elk behind us. That is awesome. Made the trip worth it.
Right.
Alright guys, well we are here at the Grand Canyons. And this is it. Wow. There's one right in front of us here. Wow. Hey. Alright, so I think this is the bus we're taking to the Overlook. Hi.
I'm not too used.
How are you? Hello, how are you?
Doing good, how are you?
I'm hiding you.
I'm not gonna be hiding me. Down a little bit, that gives you a nice overlook. You want to get off? Bus runs every 10 minutes. If you want to keep on riding, that's fine. It's getting off to green seats, please.
Alright guys, so we've made it to Hopi Point here at the Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona. And we are about to witness, for my first time, the sunset over the Grand Canyon. How far down that goes. You can see the Colorado River down there. Or a hint of it. Oh, actually that's it. See right there. This is huge. Wow. There goes the sun.